It's been months now that South Korea has been unable to significantly bring down the daily number of COVID-19 cases. So the authorities have extended the current level of distancing for another 2 weeks. Do-yeon reports.
The South Korean health authorities said Friday that the current level of social distancing will be maintained for 2 more weeks. Right now, the capital region is at level 2 and the rest of the country is at 1.5, and those restrictions were due to end on March 14. This comes as South Korea on Friday reported 488 new COVID-19 cases, with 467 of them being transmitted locally. For the past 2 months, the number has been hovering around this range. Looking at the past week, the average is above 400, which is the threshold for a stricter set of rules. Making the announcement, South Korea's Prime Minister said this is a critical moment.
There is a fierce battle now between the momentum building for a fourth wave and our virus prevention efforts. If we back down, the protections we have fought so hard to build will be crushed and a fourth wave could become a reality.
This means most rules will stay as they are, including the ban on restaurants letting customers dine in after 10 p.m. But a few rules will be eased starting Monday. There'll be a little more flexibility in the ban on gatherings of 5 or more people. The families of the bride and groom, for example, can meet for pre-wedding introductions if there are no more than 8 people. Up to 8 family members can also get together if some of them are children 5 or younger. In addition, venues that host traditional first birthday parties for babies, celebrations known as 돌잔치, will be able to host up to 99 people at each one. And public baths, which have been closed for months, will now be allowed to operate until 10 p.m. but under strict guidelines.
The fight against COVID-19 has been long. We want to ease the restrictions so that we can keep fighting, because we can't keep stopping and starting our daily routines.
In the meantime, officials will be proactively inspecting businesses that host groups of people, like singing rooms and gyms, to make sure the guidelines are being strictly adhered to. They'll also conduct mass testing at workplaces with lots of foreign nationals. The government has also decided to extend the ban on flights from the UK until April 1st. Do-yeon, Arirang News.